you, counting breaths like coins, spending hope just to make some noise. Clenched teeth, shaking hands, still pretending this was your plan. I smile while you bend and crawl, every step feels 10 feet tall. You call it pain, I call it proof that the crown was never meant for you. Say my name between your lies, choke on dreams you couldn't buy. I won't help, I won't ask, I just watch you struggle, suffer, gas. Hear me laugh behind the mask. Struggle, suffer, gas. Every breath you take is cracked. On your knees, don't move too fast. I adore the sound of your gasping. Sweat drips like a metronome, ticking seconds till you're gone. You scream fair, you scream wrong, but you've been weak all along. Hands out, begging you, like mercy laves anywhere. I don't point, I don't pull, I just enjoy the view. Say it hurts, say it burns, say the world won't let you learn. Break your voice, break your stance, give me one more struggle, suffer, gas. Feel your lungs begin to laugh. Struggle, suffer, gas. Every promise torn in half. Try to stand, you won't last. God, I love the way you're gasping. Breathe in, too slow. Breathe out, too late. You wanted fire, you wanted fame. All you got was borrowed flame. No savior waits, no hands are clasped, just silence, and that sound you made. That sound you struggle, suffer, gas. Say my name, then lose your grasp. Struggle, suffer, gas. Watch your courage collapse. Curtain call, shattered past. Encore for the one who's gasping. Still breathing. How disappointing.